Hi guys. All right, so this week and for the rest of this unit, you're going to be solving inequalities, and you've got to know how to put them into GoFormative. And once we get into Schoology and stuff too, I'll come on and talk to you about that. So if you take a look here at number one, and great news, you're going to get a free answer from me right now, because I need to show you how to do it. So if you go through and you do your awesome algebra skills and you solve number one, you're going to add 7 to both sides, which will give you negative 4x is less than or equal to negative 12, and then divide by 4. And since you're dividing by a positive 4, you do not flip your inequality. So you end up getting x is less than or equal to negative 3. So how do I type that in? So you come over here and you press this little keyboard. So press it. Up here, I want to do x, and then here's your less than or equal to, and then it's negative 3. And you have to go back up here and click it, negative 3. Or I guess you could have just plugged that all in. And then I look over here and I get a little green dot. So that's how I know I did it right. So move on to the next one. You're actually going to get 2 answers from me. I lied. I'm not going to do the fraction one. I'm going to leave that one for you guys to do. So for number 2, it says negative 2x plus 5 is greater than 27. So solve. You're going to subtract 5. So then you have negative 2x is greater than 22. Then you divide by negative 2. So because you divided by the negative, you got to flip the sign. So then your answer ends up being x is less than negative 11. So I need to type that in. So I have x. There's no less than sign. This is how you get it. You press the less than or equal to. This is where it gets cool. You go back up to here. I'm going to press backspace, and the equal to disappears. And then what I say, negative 11. And then I look up here, and I know I did it right. So to get rid of the equal to, you do have to select one of these guys and then backspace and go back up and backspace, which is kind of annoying. I get it. I don't know why they just didn't add that to that, but I think that would just be a lot on that keyboard. If you ever have any questions, so I already just gave you 2 out of the 11 for you to do today. Any questions, don't hesitate to stop in, ask for help. But I hope that helps, and happy solving inequalities.